So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in startup apps. Click on it. This list will show us all the applications that start automatically once our computer turns on. In my case, when my computer turns on, OneDrive automatically starts up. I don't want it to do this, so I'm going to turn it off. You want to turn off all the applications that you do not want to start automatically once your computer turns on. Next, you want to go to search and type in adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Click on it. Now once we're here, you want to select adjust for best performance, which will then untick everything. Now you want to select custom. You want to select show thumbnails instead of icons, and you want to select smooth edges or screen fonts. Select both of these and then click on OK. Next, you want to go to search and type in edit power plan. Click on it. Now you want to select power options, and then you want to select show additional plans. Now you want to select high performance. Next, you want to go to search and type in animation effects. Click on it. You want to turn off animation effects. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. Once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. Next, you want to go to search and type in disk cleanup. Click on it. If it gives you an option, you want to select your Windows drive, which is most likely going to be your C drive. You want to delete everything that comes up here, so tick everything here, and then select clean up system files. Once this comes up, you want to tick everything again, and then click on OK, and then click on delete files. Next, you want to go to search and type in add remove programs. Click on it. And now once we're here, you want to delete all the applications that you don't use. So for example, if I don't use calculator, I'm going to click on the three dots, uninstall, then I'm going to uninstall it. You want to remove all the applications that you don't use. Next, you want to make sure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. You can go to either the NVIDIA, AMD or Intel website, depending on your graphics card. Download your graphics card software, and then through your software, make sure that you have the latest drivers installed. Lastly, just restart your computer, and then that's how you do it.